What you don't know about me is that I spent a decade of my life in the number one university in Africa. Not only that, according to Times Higher Education World University Ranking, University of Cape Town is placed among the top 200 globally. More than half of my time at the UCT, I voluntarily assisted grade 12 learners with their university application process. My name is Senzo Mgabhi. I'm a qualified chemical engineer, having obtained both of my qualifications, bachelor's and master's at the University of Cape Town. Serving as a teaching assistant for core chemical engineering courses from introductory to senior level, as well as participating in the supervision of the final year's research project for 3 consecutive years means I know the pain of searching for a suitable career in a suitable university. Well, I also took a gap year after matric, which means that I had a year of searching for a suitable university. What I'm trying to tell you is that I'm familiar with the university application process. To tell you a little story, I applied to more than 50% of the top universities in Africa. Or well, let's say South Africa. While things may have changed in the past 12 to 14 years, but I'm sure and I believe I know one or two things about applying to the university of your choice, and I'm here to make sure that that process becomes easier for you. Let's start by defining a chemical engineer or chemical engineering. Let's give a shout out to the people that have put up the definitions out there. However, I feel like we will be doing a disservice to say those definition fit chemical engineering perfectly. Well, according to my own understanding, chemical engineering is a branch of engineering that uses the integrated application of sciences, including both physical and biological, together with applied mathematics and economics to convert raw materials into finished products of economic value. These products range from day-to-day cosmetics, food supplements, medicine to very expensive and or valuable products such as petrol or gasoline, depending on where you're from in the world, as well as precious metals, counting gold, platinum, rhodium, etc. Chemical engineering or process engineering students study the design and operation of chemical plants and or refineries, as well as the methods of improving production while using less resources and low energy. You may have heard of the term optimization. This is done through the application of the fundamentals of physics, chemistry, mathematics, economics, and life sciences to generate safe, environmentally friendly, and economically viable production processes. Chemical engineering discipline have done so much for the world. I can only imagine what it can do for you. Apart from problem solving skills and commercial awareness, chemical engineering taught me analytical skill, advanced computer literacy, and adaptability. To survive this degree or career, you will need innovative mind, creativity, teamwork, and the ability to learn quick. With the recent fluidity in career roles and forever changing world, I cannot think of any other discipline that provides such interdisciplinary approach and versatility like chemical engineering. In case you are not convinced, it is common knowledge that Some of the challenges that face our Africa and the world includes climate change, energy shortage, poverty, food scarcity, and water scarcity. On the other hand, chemical engineers in South Africa and abroad play a pivotal role in environment and pollution control, energy generation, food processing, water and wastewater treatment. Furthermore, Mother Africa is endowed with natural resources that, if used optimally, can solve all her challenges and those of the world. There is a saying, the harvest is plenty, but the workers are few. And my friend, that's the case for Mother Africa. We have plethora of untapped resources, yet a shortage of practicing and innovative engineers. Dear friend, Africa is waiting for you. The world is waiting for you. Welcome to chemical engineering. Most of the South African universities offer EXA accredited bachelor's degree. EXA, or the Engineering Council of South Africa, is a statutory body responsible for the accreditation of engineering programs as well as the registration of persons as professionals in respective engineering fields. The following are the top South African universities as recently ranked by Times Higher Education and QS World University Rankings. I will not get into the nitty-gritties of the ranking process. However, you can get the information on the internet. You may be asking yourself, what are the requirements? Well, intuitively, chemical engineering bachelor's degrees requires core subjects such as mathematics and physics. The following information is very critical for those that have written their final metric exams. However, if you are yet to write your final metric exams, I will suggest that you shoot for the stars. Why not? Last but not definitely not least, please check out iTutor platforms on Instagram, Twitter, um, Facebook, yeah, and YouTube. iTutor is here to help you get the result that will usher you into the career of your dreams. Having said that, bye bye and all the best.